This is DTLA, downtown LA, and you can see the city hall just there. This is the metro that I just came off of. I didn't take a video of that. I've been taking the metro so much, didn't need to. But yeah, this is the Grand Park, and the metro station is actually named after that. It's called the Grand Park or Civic Center. And there is City Hall. Looks very City Hall to me. Behind City Hall, about a block, that's where you find Little Tokyo. On this side you will find Walt Disney and the Broad. It's a Saturday, and downtowns tend to be deserted on Saturday during the day, but at night the activity increases. This is excessive. Walt Disney Concert Hall.
She's on one of the prospects for Level's 10-foot retires for the next CEO.
if you want to venture into downtown LA, then you can come to the Walt Disney Concert Hall. Again, another touristy, very touristy place, but it is magnificent, and so I regret nothing. And right next to it is the Broad. The Broad is a museum. I'm not sure what about. I'm not a super museum person. They say it's free general admission, so take advantage of that. Closes in about 30 minutes and I can see a line over there. I'm gonna go in, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to go in. But let's see, because I'm here anyway. I don't know what the line is for. People in America love lines a lot.
Unfortunately, they don't.
They just asked me to remove the GoPro handle, but I can take pictures. This piece here is called Under the Table because you're literally standing under the table. I honestly do not understand abstract art at all, but this is cool.